committee is appointed for the MG Narega. Everybody know about the MG Narega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. And recently the committee is Amarjit Sinha Committee. In 2016-17, they asked about the committee question. Recently, Amarjit Sinha Committee was mentioned in the news. It is related to. So this kind of trend they can repeat again. The Amarjit Sinha Committee was recently mentioned in the news. It is related to. So let's see about the mainly what is the reason behind the committee. अब किसी भी कमेटी को अपॉइंट करने का मेनली होता है ऑप्शन, उसका उसने क्या क्या काम किया अंडर द स्कीम एमजी नरेगा, हाउ द एमजी नरेगा इज परफॉर्मिंग, व्हाट आर द मेजर वर्क डन अंडर द एमजी नरेगा, क्या फाइनेंसिस है, जो इसके बेनिफिशियरी हैं वहां तक फाइनेंसिस पहुंच रहे हैं नहीं पहुंच रहे हैं, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट है अकॉर्डिंग टू डेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, एलिवेशन ऑफ पॉवर्टी इसका मेन एजेंडा था, वो एलिवेशन ऑफ पॉवर्टी हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, इट्स अ लीगल गारंटी एक्ट वो फॉलो हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. So these are the major dimensions according to which the committee will serve its report after 3 months. The MG Narega comes under which ministry? Ministry of Rural Development. Ministry of Rural Development. So the committee, Amarjit Sinha Committee, will give the recommendation about the MG Narega. जो आज तक काम हुआ है उसके बेसिस पे they will give the recommendation. Who is the implementing agency at the village level? It's a पंचायती राज institution. थोड़ा सा लिंक किया करो. If I am asking about the third tier, mostly it will be the पंचायती राज institution. There is also reservation for the women, not in PRI, but I am saying about the in MG Narega jobs. PRI में तो है, लेकिन but also in the MG Narega jobs, 1/3 jobs are reserved for the women only. ठीक है. So let's see about the major thing they will see about the higher cost. The scheme is costing very high to the government. The committee will see. And the second about the asset creation, ki what assets we are creating under the MG Narega. So the committee will see on this. So let's see about the MG Narega Act. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It was started in 2005 and it's a demand driven scheme guarantee. What is mean by demand driven scheme? If you आप मान लो कि आप unemployed हो, you are going to the village and you are asking for a work and it's giving a guarantee they will provide you work within the 15 days. But after the 15 days, they are not able to provide you work, but they will start giving you some money related to that work. So this is known as a demand-driven as well as the Guarantee Act. जिसमें guarantee word use हुआ है, they are giving a legal guarantee. Like the Maluk IS is giving guarantee for the clearing the prelims. They are giving the guarantee for clearing the for the employment. Okay. They are the currently 15.15 crore active workers enrolled under the schemes. It was launched as a poverty alleviation instrument. Mainly the reason was to provide the employment. Agriculture laborers के लिए भी mainly use हुआ था because they are having a seasonal unemployment. So seasonal unemployment they will come and join the MG Narega so that they can earn money. Third, they are saying कि Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are very poor states, but they are not implementing the scheme as well. Poor तो हैं, they are not implementing the scheme as well. और जो बेनिफिट्स मिलना चाहिए वहां के लोगों को बेनिफिट्स नहीं मिल रहा है. द स्कीम इज सेइंग द स्कीम हैज बीन क्रिटिसाइज्ड बाय द यूपी एंड बिहार में इंप्लीमेंट है बट दे आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन इट. दे आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन इट मींस इफ दे आर 10 lakh people is applying for the MG Narega, the government is not serious about it. They are giving a job to 1 lakh. We can say this is the seriousness we can discussing. Implement तो हर स्टेट में ही है because नेशनल स्कीम सेंट्रल सेक्टर स्कीम है. तो उस केस में यहाँ पे जितना इंप्लीमेंट होना चाहिए था ड्यू टू द पॉवर्टी इन दीज स्टेट्स उस हिसाब से इसको इंप्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ है. So it's finally comes under the Ministry of Rural Development. And what are why the economics are criticizing this scheme? They are saying it's an inefficient instrument of shifting money to poor. But efficiently नहीं दी गई है. And in 2018, our Prime Minister in the Parliament said that MG Narega कांग्रेस की विफलताओं का सबूत है. In a parliament, he said that this statement. MG Narega कांग्रेस की विफलताओं का सबूत है. Learn some Hindi as well. But if you see during the COVID time, which schemes play a very good role? Only the MG Narega, because these are having the bank accounts of the laborer. कहाँ से कितना लिंक है, किस एरिया में कितना लेबर है, वहां पे उसके अकॉर्डिंग जॉब देना है. So this scheme play a very important role in COVID time. If you see the any asset creation by the previous government, it's not about specifically to Congress. If you see about the IIT, if you see about the AIIMS, if you see about the any major government hospitals, they are, if you see about the IIMs as well, they're majorly created for the capital investment हुआ, majorly for the employment creation as well as for the research purpose. But if you see in the last 20 years, उस kind का institution नहीं आए हैं. Maybe they are extending those institutions. If you see initially the 6 IM were there, but now they are mainly at 20 IMs. Some are the new IMs and the other are known as the baby IMs. There are 3 categories now: old, new, and baby. Baby IM means they are working under the old one. They are linked to the old one. So if you see the facility at the old IMs, IM Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Lucknow, and the facility at the new IMs, as well as the infrastructure as well as the जो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट निकल के आएगा उसमें भी आप देखोगे इट्स डिफरेंशिएशन. If you go to the IM Ahmedabad, the average package near about 40 lakh. If you go to the IM Rohtak, there is an average package nearly 12 lakh. So this kind of differentiation there. Instead of creating a good capital infrastructure, instead creating of assets, these people are focusing on the other instruments. Freebies they are focusing on for the कि हमें वोटर्स को ही लुभावना है, देना है कि हम आपको ये दे देंगे, हम आपको ये दे देंगे, हम, लेकिन वी आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन फॉर द कंट्री पर्सपेक्टिव डेवलपमेंट. वी आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट जिसका हमें रिटर्न आगे मिले. दिस काइंड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स इज गोइंग ऑन करंटली. सो दिस वाज द सबूत ऑफ द कांग्रेस की विफलता. Now let's see the how this scheme is very important. Number 1, it's give the legal right to work. Legal right to work, they will provide work to you within the 15 days. If they are not providing work you within the 15 days, they will give you some money. At least 1/3 of the beneficiary have to be women. 1/3 of beneficiary women में होना चाहिए. If they are giving the work to the 120 people, out of 120 people, the 40 will be women only. So they are taking care of the women as well. Wages must be paid according to the Minimum Wages Act 1948. Demand driven scheme means they can create the more jobs according to a demand in the area. If there is a more demand in the UP tomorrow, then they will provide the more job in the UP itself. Then the decentralized planning. Decentralized planning means the Panchayati Raj institution will implement this scheme successfully at the village level. So there will be no direct connection with the state government, maybe the central government, only the PRI, Panchayati Raj institution, will be focused on it, and the Panchayati Raj institution will play a major role in providing the employment. The act mandate Graham Sabha to recommend the work that are to be undertaken, and at least 50% of the work must be executed by them. This type of question is also asked from the Schedule 5 and the Schedule 6 in 2021. And specific area को declare करने का as a tribal area, and also they ask about the if there is any market in that area, so who having the right for declaring it as a scheduled area. This type of question asked in 2021 governor. So this was the question in the 2021 related to the Panchayati Raj institution. So similar kind of question from this scheme, how it can be built. The act mandate Gram Sabha to recommend the work that are undertaken, and least 50% of the work must be executed by them. Means the Panchayati Raj institution playing a bigger role here. So you need to know this type of statements. Only they are asking that this type of statement. ये सबको पता है. It's a legal right to work. It's a demand driven scheme. क्योंकि name में ही है MG नरेगा, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So this saying the legal guarantee. You need to know under which act they are giving the wages. So it's under the Minimum Wages Act 1948. So this scheme is fulfilling the certain sustainable development goals. So we can see. Number 1, no poverty. How? They're providing the employment in the unseasonal time to the farmers, to the poor peoples. Second, zero hunger. If you are employed, so you can buy some food. 10, reduce inequality. Yeah, it's maybe not completing it because you are providing 250 rupee daily. Then how it's able to reduce the inequality? But it's playing us some game there. Good health and the well-being. Everything is linked to money. If you having money, then you can do all these things. Delhi is the state where you can survive your day in 50 rupee only as well. Delhi is a state you can survive in a 50 rupee on a daily basis, even in a 5 lakh rupee on a daily basis. It's depend on your choice. 50 rupee mein bhi you can survive. Single, I am talking about a single person. In this area, you are finding food at the 50 rupee. If you go to the railway station, you eat outside, you can get in a 20 rupee as well. So it depends on the location as well. कि आप किस लोकेशन पे हैं, कहाँ पे खा रहे हैं, कहाँ रह रहे हैं. It's not like अगर आप कल को बोलोगे ताज में जाके मुझे खाना खाना है. They are offering tea to the 500 rupee only. If you go and drink tea there, they are offering at the 500 rupee. So it's survival depend on the your choices कि आप किस choice पे उसको लेके जा रहे हैं. It's improving the gender equality and the decent work and the economic growth as well. So mainly linked to the poverty, mainly linked to the unemployment, mainly linked to the gender equality. Gender equality, how? Because they're providing a reservation of the 1.3 to the women in jobs. In the development of the industry, innovation and infrastructure, in the reduce inequality. So these are the major sustainable development goals are fulfilling through the MG Narega. So can we say it's a vifalta or it's a safalta? So we need to answer somewhere in between as in the conclusion as well. So we cannot tilt any side. We need to be in the center. We need to write down both the perspective, what are the positive perspective, what are the negative perspective, what we need to mention.